Yeah, welcome back to Structures Pro. We are going to continue from where we stopped, which is we are going to model the structure. Today, the last class, we were able to read this plan to clearly understand um, what it looks like. Like I told you, this is a live project. I collected this building plan from the architect, and is also attached in the description of this video. So you can simply download for your practice. Follow me as I do the design step by step. I also have a Staad.Pro tutorial. It is 12 days training. It's fully packed. So the training contains both concrete and steel, even steel connections, and foundation designs. The concrete design with RCDC is also there. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'll just ask you to do that immediately and jam that like button, then on your notifications. Okay, so we start the model immediately. We are going to use this point as our origin, so it will be at our 00 level. So I'll quickly go to Staad.Pro. The first thing, like I told you in our training class, is to use this shortest format, which is using the node offset and copy paste to do my modeling. Okay, so I've gotten the first column position. I'll go back again. So this one will be my x-axis, while this will be my z-axis. So from center to center is what we are going to be determining. We need to first of all determine the centers of these columns. Okay, let me check the thickness of this wall. Okay, that's 150 mm. So we are not going to be using 150 mm wall thickness for this kind of story building, 7-story building. So we will not use 5 inches block, 6 inches block, sorry. We'll use 9 inches, which is 225. So let's check the size of the column, 0.25. So I'll be using 225 for that. Okay, so let me see what I can do to get the center of this column, the center of this one. The center of this one. Okay, but I will not use this. Let me undo. Let me use the center of the block. 150 over 2 is 75. That is 0.075. Okay, offset, offset. Okay. Okay. That is supposed to be a single line. The lines are broken, which is not supposed to be so. Okay, I have determined I just placed the grid line. Of course, that's the first thing you need to do. When you have a floor plan like this, you have to put the grid lines. Initially, when I saw this drawing, I thought all these are grid line, but I discovered that it's not. This one is from the edge, supposed to be at the center of the block, just like this one. This is correct. This one is not. Okay, so that's also to tell you that when you get architectural drawing, you have to look at it critically so that you don't do you don't change the plan, from your own model. So now that I have determined the center to center of these columns, we can now continue our model. Then from here to here is what 3.6 meters. So I'll select this column, select this node, Ctrl C, Ctrl V towards X direction 3.6. Okay, I've gotten the second point. To go back again. Okay, from center of this column to center of this other one, that's 3.6 again. Okay, select, copy, paste 3.6. Wow. Okay, I've gotten that line. Okay, the second line is this one. So the distance is from here to here. That's 2.83. So I'm going to move these three nodes at a time. 2.83. Hold the Ctrl C, Ctrl V. 2.83 Z direction. Okay, then we go back for this other one, center to center. Okay, we have center to center dimension of this one, which is 3.97. Let me verify that. From center to center, 3.97. Okay, that's good. Select this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 3.97. Okay, that's the third line. Then the fourth one is so there's a little difference here, but I'm not going to recognize that difference. I'll just have a small shift from this column. See, the center line of this column is not corresponding with this, so I'm just going to check the difference. Then the difference is just 70 mm. So I won't recognize that. So I'm gonna push this column down to correspond with this one. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'll offset 3.97 again. That's to get to this point from the previous one. 3.97. That's good. Okay, select this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. 3.97. Okay, so I've gotten 4 lines. That's 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last line is somehow special, but before that, let me get this one. This column here is from center to center 1.35. This is going X direction by 1.35. Okay, then I will get the other one, this one, which is from this, which I've gotten to that place, is 3.33. Select this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This one is going in negative direction of Z, so put minus 3.33. So that's that. Okay, so the other one is here. So I'll first of all, from this column position get this one. Once I get this one out, from here I'll get the rest. So let me just offset to get that one from the circular column to this rectangular column. That's 4.09, 4.09, 4.09. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 4.09. Okay, then go back. Then I can get this. Let me establish this one from center of this to center of this. 2.11, 2.11. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 2.11. Okay, then this is the one I got. So let me now get this other one. Then from center to this center, 1.99, 1.99. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This one is going in negative direction of X, so we put minus there. So this is our entrance door. That's the door. Okay, let's continue. So the next one here is 1.46. Okay, let me not assume. Let me not assume. I'm going to align this column with this column so that okay, from here to here, 1.69, 1.69. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 1.69. Go back again. Okay, from here I will get this column position here. This is 2.52. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, minus 2.52. Okay. Okay. That's right. For this my staircase, I will need to add another column somewhere. Can't just be one column. I will need to add another column here. Okay, so let me check the dimension from this place to this place. Is it up to 4 meters? That's 4 meters. So I will need to put a column here. I need to put a column here. Okay, so I've gotten to this point. Let me get that additional column I would put there. Okay, to this point, 2.08. Select this, Control C, Control V, minus 2.08. That's good. Okay. Okay, the next column position is at 1.84. 1.84. Control C, Control V. 1.84. Okay. Then the last but not the least is from here to here, 1.43. 1.43. Control C, Control V. 1.43. Okay. Okay, that's good. So let us raise it up. The first level, the height of the first level is what, 2 point. Okay, let's check it very well. 2 point, this 2.7 ends here. This one is top, supposed to be to the center. So this is the bottom. Okay, and this is 0.2. So it's 2.6, just like this other one. 2.6 is 2.6. The height of the building is 2.6 from center to center of the beam. So yeah, 2.6. So I'm going to raise it up gradually so that I don't put pepper in my eyes. Control C, Control V, Y direction 2.6. Okay, then I'll add beams. Add beam. Add beam. Yeah. Okay, there's something I see here. Let's go to the drawing. If you check this drawing, you see that this beam stopped here after this column, so it didn't join this place. So this place maybe is just an open space or something, but we still have some columns at that line. So but I'm going to run that beam to the end. Then from subsequent floors we will now make it a cantilever. So what I will do now is I'll create a node at this point so that when I replicate this floor, I will now begin to have it as cantilever. So let's quickly do that. So from the center of column to the center of this cantilever, taking here to be the center, is 1.07. Okay, 1.07. So I'm going to insert node here to 1.07. 1.07. Okay, so let me do something. 2.83 minus 1.07, that's 1.76. If I'm adding from 23 to 26, I'll use 1.76, but if it's from 26 to 23, I'll use 1.07. So I'll go to geometry, insert a node here from 23 to 26, so I'll use 1.76. 1.76, add new point. Okay, the same thing here, 1.76, add new point. Okay, the same thing here, 1.76, add new point. Okay, that's all right. Okay, so I will just mirror, I'll move this to the second floor. So what I will do is I'll select these beams, remove the dimensions. I think I'm done with the node numbers. Let me remove it as well. Good. Okay, I will select only the beams on the first floor. Yeah. Okay. Then I will remove this one. These ones are not going up with me. That's wonderful. Then I'll do translational repeat. I will just do for the second floor, y direction. Was the one step, the dimension is 2.6 as the height. I will click on link steps. I think that's correct. Link steps, and I'll click OK. So we have gotten our second floor. Okay, so but this place is cantilever, so I'm going to delete these columns. And I'll add, I'm going to add a small beam there, so that when we go to RCDC, the RCDC will be able to capture that place as cantilever and recognize that there's a slab there. So at this point, we can just use a translational repeat to get the every other level. So this is the second floor. We still need to go more. We have gotten this and this, so we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. So I will click on view, That's the beauty of translational repeat. Then we'll go to translational repeats again. We are going 5 levels. Okay, the height is 2.6, and we are going to link steps. We'll say okay. So I did not choose the direction rightly. Yeah, I mistakenly selected the X direction, so that's why everything went to the east. So it's supposed to go vertically, vertically upward. So let me undo. Okay, I will undo. Select again. Select view. Okay. Transitional repeat. So it was X that was active, so I'll put it under Y. Okay, steps 5, number of steps 5 floors plus 2 we have already, making it 7. 2.6 is the height. Link steps, it's okay. Wow, so this is our okay, but I need to delete all these columns here. So what I will do is I will, under view, I will use this to toggle this building. Yeah, I need to delete all those beams, the columns, sorry. These columns. Okay, just hit the delete. That's all. That's good. So I'll save. Yeah, this is our structure. So what is remaining now is the last level, which is this part, which is this. So nothing really changed, just that we are going to take this portion up. Yeah, but that will be in our next class. I have actually spent enough time in this class. Okay, like I said before, I have a tutorial video, a pre-recorded Staad.Pro training package that will just take you 12 days, only 12 days for you to just learn Staad.Pro. In that video, we have steel and concrete design covered. When in steel, we have even steel connection designs, all those base plate, beam to beam moment connection, shear connection, all covered. We have concrete design, and we even proceeded to using RCDC to design concrete members. RCDC is another software which is embedded into Staad.Pro. So we are also going to learn RCDC alongside with Staad.Pro, and we also covered the foundation design. So all the two structures I designed in that training course, I did the foundation design for them, where I covered the isolated footing, combined footing, and marked footing for now. So just if you are interested in learning Staad.Pro from scratch, just click the link. I will drop the link in the comment section, in the description. Just follow the link. It's a seller site. Just enter there, make payment, and get it downloaded. And you can also contact me on WhatsApp, during the course of the training. If you have any challenge, you can always reach out to me, and we fix it. Okay, so So that's that. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you.